In this video, I will show you how to move an object from one place to another. Now see how to move an object. First, select your object. Then click on Animation. Then click on More option. You have to set any motion path as you wish. I first move the objective through a line. Here you can change the direction of your object. You can select custom animation. If you wish, you can increase or decrease the animation time. Now I am increasing the time of animation. You can add a sound here or set it to come back again.